Friday, February 23rd. Dad has a young Padawan in from Rocky Lake, Manitoba. And the young fellow owns a Bombardier and he's come by to learn a little bit from Dad. And Dad's just in his element. He's walking him around and showing him a few things. Temper is not up, so it's all good. So this is what happens when I leave my dad alone unsupervised for a couple hours. Cat's checking out a new Bombardier that just rolled into the shop. The blue Bombardier is now in the first spot, and Dad is in the coffee room talking to another customer here. This looks like a Woody, and Dad is saying they're pulling off the tracks to change out bushings or something, but yeah, wasn't expecting this morning. It's Saturday. I think it's the 24th or something. Anyways, the cat's wondering what's going on here. Same as I'm wondering what's going on. So, customers in the shop here. He needs Dad's help, and Dad's gonna get him to help on some of the things. I don't know what the deal is here right now, but Dad made some sort of special secret deal that we're going to figure out what's going on here. But Dad's going to go through everything here and see what needs to be done on his machine. They're going through some of the things that need to be improved on, and wasn't expecting this morning, but they're going to go through what's going on here, and we'll find out everything that needs to be done on this machine. Okay, customer's just saying he thinks it's a 48. This is a Woody. Dad doesn't do wood repairs because he's not a carpenter, but customer said it might be even as early as a 46. And there's a lot of work here. Dad's going to go through everything with them. They're talking about windows and window rubbers here. We don't do windows, but we always tell everybody to go to a place like Speedy Auto Glass or something like that to do their windows. Again, registered as a 48 narrow gauge Woody, and this is a out of province job here, but the customer was willing to come down here and drop it off. I thought it was staying on the trailer, but got unloaded and into the shop, so find out exactly what's going on with that. As you can tell, this one's back in the front spot here, still on the trailer. And Dad's going to start putting all the hardware on here now. That's what he just told me in the coffee room, and so that it can come off the trailer. So Peter just showed up here.
When they cut the door, they went too far, so I have to make
So Dad's going through the repairs that need to be done. But the customer has a new engine, new transmission, new rad, and Dad's found some other issues. So the door needs to be repaired, but says there's a noise that he hears back and behind the transmission. Might be a transmission mount issue, and I know that one of these tires is rubbing, and track adjusters might need changing out. But yeah, Peter was all smiles seeing this Woody. And again, the customer thinks it's a 48 narrow gauge. That's what he's got it registered as, but it's this is, it might be as early as a 46. And ran well getting into the shop, so we'll find out what needs to be done here.
was the light. So I made him a deal.
So Dad and Peter are just looking at the engine here, see what the state of that is in. Again, unexpected new Bombardier in the shop today, Saturday, February 24th. Did not wake up thinking this was coming. Knew the customer was coming, but I thought it was just for a visit. And so, first come, first serve at the shop, but Dad's going to get him to help him out putting the other Bombardier together for some of the heavier tasks. I just got a new job, guys, so I might only be out here an hour a day, if that. And Dad does need help out here for some of the heavier lifting, like putting on the tracks and stuff like that. So I guess it's a good thing this guy showed up. And yeah, we'll keep checking in here on what's going on. Frickin' dog's pissing you off, eh, kitty? Oh, that happened. Yeah, well, it's all playtime until somebody gets hurt. Jeez.
Big long nose, yeah. It hurts, eh?